Hello, artist. You are going to be creating a color wheel today. So what you're going to need is you need to get to this Google template. It should say your name up top. And the word color wheel, and it should look like this circle with a cross inside of it. To get to that, you're going to head over to your Google Classroom, and under this week, you're going to look for the topic called, the assignment called Color Wheel Creation. Get those things opened up. And you're going to have to tab between the video that you're watching right now and pause it and create. Go back to the video, play the video, and create. So you're gonna have to kind of go back and forth between those and work at your own pace and speed to work on this project. So what we're gonna be doing is creating a color wheel. And we just learned about all the primary colors, all the secondary colors, and getting those onto the color wheel. So let me show you how we're gonna do that. All right, so to start, we're going to use any shape that you want to make your color wheel. So the color wheel examples I've always shown you are just circles, but I will let you choose any of the shapes that are available in Google Draw, and you can use those for your project. So there are like geometric shapes that you can pick from. Any of these will work. Something, as long as you can fill and change the color inside of it, you are going to be set. So it has to be a shape. So you have to be able to put, change the color inside, be able to use the paint bucket tool, and you can pick, so the parentheses here won't work, but the plus sign, X, division sign, those will all work. I saw a shape that I wanted to use that I thought was going to be cool, kind of this little tab bookmark shape, and I'm going to use that. So click on the shape you want and click and drag. And our first one that we make is going to be right here at the top of our circle, kind of like the 12 o'clock part of our circle. And you're going to make it about the size that I have shown here. And what you're going to do is you're going to try to get that shape right on the vertical line that is there. And once you have it the correct shape and size, we're going to have to put 12 of these around. So if you make it too big, you might have to go back through and make all of them smaller. So try to plan ahead on how big or how small you need that to be. And the size I'm using, I think, is going to work. Once you get that done once, don't redraw the shape. We're going to make these match by using copy and paste. So if you know how to use the shortcuts on your computer, you can use the edit, copy, edit, paste button, or you can use the shortcuts on your computer. I'm on a Mac, so it looks a little bit different for you guys. So I'm going to go to edit, copy, and then I'm going to go to edit, paste. And now I've made another one, and this one's going to go down here. I'm going to rotate it in a second, and then I'm going to do edit, copy, edit, paste. So what I'm going to do is turn these so all these little points are facing in the middle, and we want this one and this one to be in between the lines here. And I'm going to put it inside the circle. So see how my shape is inside the circle at the top. I need to make these shapes in the same position up here. So you just got to play around with the direction. To rotate it, you grab this little circle at the top and rotate it. I'm going to make it so the space on each corner is equal from the edge of the circle, just like the first one. Okay. And now we're going to fill these in with our primary colors, which you should know. So get that done. All right, now we're going to create another shape, and that's going to be our secondary colors. We're going to put 3 secondary colors between our primary and our intermediate colors. I'm going to go edit, copy, edit, paste, and these are going to go halfway between my primary colors.